Welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. Today we're diving into how to compute variables in SPSS in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your dataset in SPSS. Click on Transform in the top menu, then select Compute Variable. This is where you'll create your new variable. Step 2. Name your variable. In the Target Variable box, type the name of your new variable. Keep it short and meaningful. For example, if your variable is Organization Performance, you can name it OP to keep it simple. Step 3. Build your formula. Now let's create a formula. Click on your existing variables from the list and use the calculator buttons to add up the values and divide by the total number of items. Example, if you're computing performance, add its 5 items together. Performance 1 plus Performance 2 plus Performance 3 plus Performance 4 plus Performance 5. Then divide by 5, since there are 5 items. 5, this gives you an average score for performance. Step 4, apply and check the output. Click OK and your new variable will appear in the dataset. Go to Variable View if you need to edit the variable's name, type, or label. And that's it. Now you know how to compute variables like a pro in SPSS. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more SPSS tutorials. See you in the next video.